Everybody, I'm in Mount Laurel Dollar Tree. We're gonna see the spring and Easter stuff, so let's get to it. So they have the little gummies, these little bunnies. These are really cute that I haven't seen before. These have little butterflies in them. These are solar garden lights for $1.25. They're so adorable. And some Easter decor. They have the little bunny gnomes. They have little boxes to make crafts. Look at the little gnomes that they have out. And the little bunnies, those are so cute for only $1.25. This one says Happy Easter on it, but there's so many different ones to choose from. And they have the Easter signs. These ones are really cute too, the bunnies. And then you have ones for your yard to stick in. These are really, really cute. Only $1.25, there's so many to choose from. I love this one. This is so cute. And you have this, and the little bunnies, and the carrots. All the florals, and then the cute little plushies. These are really cute for $1.25. You can get these and be wrapping them with like a little candy. They have the Russell stove. They have a strawberry Rice Krispie. So we have the Easter eggs for Easter egg hunts. They have little shells. I haven't seen these before. These are really cute. They have little farm animals. They have the white shells, the decorative ones. Little hippos. These ones are glass chickies, so they're see-through. Then we got the grass, and let's go back over here. They have Peeps lollipop rings. They have the cookies and cream, which my son loves, and the milk chocolate, $1.25. The large eggs, these are really good for egg hunts to hide a prize in them. Lego eggs, I have not seen those before. Those are really fun. And they have the mini golden eggs. These ones are little dinosaurs, unicorns. The rubber ducks are so cute. Those are new this year too. And they have some of the dish towels. Really pretty. There's some Easter little fun stuff for prizes. My kids like these too. You put them on and you shoot it in the air. The poppers. Go down. Then we have some baskets, really cute. Let's look at the sports stuff. So they have the footballs. These are really fun. My son likes these. These balls are really cute, bouncy. They're really soft and fuzzy. Then they have like little blind bags. They have a Disney one, kitty cat, puppy, jungle, Sonic. They have these cute little card games. Look at this, the Plonk Magic 8. All this fun stuff that you can put in a basket. Card chalk. Paw chalk, and silly string, the eggs, chalk, little play phones, puzzles, and magic clay. There's more of the puzzles. I'm gonna turn behind me and show you the more of the Easter candy. Now some of this is up to $5, like the Reese's bunnies. These are $3.50 for the Sour Patch shareables. They have tropical punch peeps. I have not seen those ones before. Dr. Pepper. We have cotton candy. These are really pretty. I like to get these to give out. So it's like a little card, and it also has a chocolate cross on it. So it's a very nice gift. They have the Fruity Pebble bunnies, nerds, pixie sticks, marshmallow flowers, carrots filled with candy, marshmallow eggs, cotton candy. These ones are little ring pop candy, jelly beans, berry flavored. They're little carrots, warheads, the Peeps gummies, more ring pops, junior mints, Mike and Ike Easter, and chocolates. Then they have the Peeps baskets for $5 here. And then this is an LED light. Let me see if I can turn it on to show you. No, it doesn't have any batteries. So those are $5. And this one has a set of 4 for $5 as well. These are little lights that are $5. They have the cups with the straws, and then these are like little bubble wands. So those are cute. I haven't seen those. Those are $5 as well. Let's get into the headbands. These are really cute, fun headbands, the tie-dye ones. They have the sequins, the little bunnies, the ones with the plaid on them, all $1.25. They have these little buckets that you can make crafts out of. They're filled with candy. These ones are really cute with the ribbon, unicorn, bunny. This one's fuzzy. These are little containers you can put candy or cookies in. Then we have a ring toss game. These you can fill with little treats. Get the little bunny feet. These are good to fill and create a little gift. And I've seen these are really cute and new this year. They have confetti in them. Cheeky one too. It's really, really cute for $1.25. And they have the LED light up glasses. Well, not LED, but glitter, and then they light up. Are $1.25. So here's more of the bunny containers. And like for Valentine's Day, they had hearts, so they have bunny and egg ones. The little candy dispensers are only $1.25. Open me. So I guess this is like a little prize inside that you open and see what you get. I haven't seen those before. It's pretty cute. And they have the Disney surprise eggs, decorating kits, more little containers. Look at this cute little chip one. And they have the soccer eggs or the bigger eggs that you can fill with stuff. It's really cute. I know if anyone uses this kid, these are fun. And they have the tongs when you're dyeing eggs, squishy pens, bubbles, more bubbles, the wind-up chickies, card games, pencil sharpeners, bunny rings. They have these bunny straws, cute little pencils, and the little mini erasers. So it's good to make like a little pack for the kids for school. Okay, so this is like $3 to $5 this stuff. So they have like these cute little squishy pillows. They have the giant eggs. These are only $3. This is fun to make an Easter basket. Instead of doing that, you can fill this egg with goodies. Oh, look how cute this little egg canister is for drinks. And this is $5. I have this bunny decor. I love these flocked bunnies. These are $3. This is really pretty for decor. Look how cute this is. This is $5. And then they have these little tree eggs. They're only $5. Like, look how adorable they are. They're so cute and pretty, and they would make a great centerpiece. They have this tier serving tray for $5. This is for snack cups. These decorative eggs, and they're $5. Looks like they light up too. It looks really pretty. These fake florals for $5. Get these LM string lights for $5, and these they're like kind of like ceramic type. Look at these plushies for only $5. They're really pretty. There's an egg one, a bunny one. Peeps tablecloth. How cute is that? It's only $3. I really want to get one of those. They have Elmo and Cookie Monster. Look at this cute tier tray. This is only $5. This is so cute. This is perfect for a party. I love that. I always host Easter in my family, and I would love to get that. Put some desserts on it. And we have Easter rugs that are $5. There's this one, and I like this one. It's really cute. These ones are $5. And then we have the egg garland. And they have the big entryway stands. They're really cute, and they're $5. So $5 for the entryway things. More of the garland. These stand-up bunnies, $5 as well. And then more of the decorative tabletop eggs, and those are $3. This is a nice decor one too for $5. These cute eggs. And then we have a little strawberry kit. You can grow strawberries in a basket for $5. And then they have the gardening stuff, pots. Look at this little tote. That's really cute. I like these little lanterns for outside. Bird feeders for $5. They have all these different welcome signs for $5. More lamps, solar lights. Look at these little bird houses. Those are so cute. These little guys are adorable. And then we have these little solar garden decor. Love all this stuff. It's so cute. And this is really pretty too. This is another solar stake. I have a lot of stuff here. I just want to get over here to more of the spring stuff, like garden stones, really cute. Look at these little mushrooms. They are adorable. The gnomes, the hummingbird feeders. They have little wind chimes. And then if you're gonna build a fairy garden, like look how cute this stuff is now. Like, I just love it. There's so much more options. Me and my kids made a fairy garden, so you got like soil and plants, got a whole bunch of these different decors, and then they have all these buckets over here, so you can pick and choose which one you want to use and get the top. But like, so many different little houses. And then these ones like can go on your tree in the front. They have these little frogs, but it's like such cute things that you can do and put so many different pots. They even have the little trellises and garden gloves. So they have bulbs and seeds as well. So run and get all your little stuff to start your little garden. So I had a lot of cute spring and Easter decor. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and have a great day.